Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Velar D240 R-Dynamic HSE in Carpathian Grey. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in June 23. You have 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys, giving the car a luxury exterior. A powered tailgate, which is helpful if you've got your hands full, and plenty of space in the boot, but you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Going round and towards the front of the vehicle, you have R-Dynamic tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage, which is a real luxury to have and ensures every journey is relaxing. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven. For example, if you're braking too hard, you can also see the history. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. Speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for motorways. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must for the winter. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian surround sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 15,643 miles. And stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.